Hi, I'm Johnny. I'm a global artist ambassador for FENIX360, and I'm blessed to be joined today by the actress Rita FRENZEL. Hey, Rita, how are you?
I'm good, John. How are you?
I'm doing great. Good to see you. Thanks for being with me. Listen, Rita,
Yeah, thanks for having me.
I want to share some of your acting performing with our audience. Cool if we tune into some of that now?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, super. Let's take a look now at some of the acting performing from Rita FRENZEL.
When my father split us up, I wanted to commit suicide. It was so hard, but I knew that you were waiting for me, just like I was waiting for you. And I kept myself for you. I haven't been with anybody else.
What?
And I know you did
You've
the
not
same
been
too.
with anybody else?
No, of course not. And I know you kept yourself for me too.
Rita, sweet. Great to look at your acting and see you performing. And thanks so much for sharing it with us. And now I'm interested in learning about you. Can you tell me, where are you from and how did you get involved in becoming an actress?
Well, I'm from Los Angeles in California, but I originally grew up in Minneapolis.
Oh.
And I have a little brother, and when we were kids, we used to we had like a video camera, and we would make our little movies all the time since we were like really young. And so then after I graduated college, I went to college for screenwriting. But then after I graduated, I was kind of like, yeah, I kind of want to try some acting. So I just kind of put myself out there and just started auditioning for everything and just started applying for everything and just realized that I love going to auditions. I love sending self-tapes. It's not just like the roles that I love, but I also love the process of like getting the roles as well, like auditioning and all that stuff. Like,
Wow.
yeah.
That's cool insight about that. It's even the trying, the effort of,
yeah,
okay, that even that is exciting. And it seems to me that if that's the case, and also your attitude about it, then no matter what, you're going to become magnetic. No matter what, you'll fall into positions in which there's a connection that happens and you get the role. Just because you're in that spirited space of appreciating just the process. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Like, so even if I don't get it, it's like, oh, it was still fun sending the videos.
But you're already stoked. You know what I mean? So
exactly.
It's the right fit. It'll be the right fit. But otherwise, this is what you're going to do. Hey, Rita, I was just curious about, in being an actress, were there other actresses that you kind of looked up to or were inspired by when you were considering being an actress yourself?
Yeah, for sure. I really like Elizabeth Moss, who acts in The Handmaid's Tale. She's the main actress. And that role is just a very crazy one. And you can tell that she really, really like works hard and just puts everything into this character. And it's like she's expressing herself through this character as well. And it kind of makes me it really inspires me because when I'm acting, I feel like it's a good way to express my emotions and, sometimes just let things out if I'm bottling things up. And so I just feel way more free, when I'm like in front of the camera and I can express my feelings through a character.
Oh, Rita, that's cool. And I can appreciate it. And I look at some of these actresses and actors and in terms of the way they pour their hearts and souls into these characters. It's incredible the transformations that take place and right before our very eyes. And understanding also an actress or actor in the variety of different roles they're in. You just recognize just how dynamic they are. They're amazing. And so you too, and all the experiences, everything that you're gleaning from other performers, and as you kind of hone your craft, it's great that this emotion will pour out of you and into these characters. Yeah.
Yeah.
Performers are amazing. And I love to hear, ones that inspire you, and also about your own insights. Now, what are you working on right now, Rita? What's coming up for you?
So right now, because I'm currently I currently live in Arusha in Tanzania. So I'm traveling to the bigger city in Dar es Salaam to actually look for acting work. I came here to look for acting work. So I actually have a shoot in a couple of days. So that's exciting.
Yes.
Yeah. And so they're working on like the story right now and everything. So yeah, so I'm thinking of maybe moving to this city just to work on some acting, because it's cool to experience the industry in different parts of the world, because I'm so used to Hollywood. And I also did some acting in Kampala in Uganda, and things were so different, you know, like everything is just different wherever you go. So it's cool to experience the acting industry in different cities and see how different it is.
No question. And also, you mean the people that you're immersed in the country and landscapes and the culture and music and art and everything that you've immersed in that location, and then the dynamic peoples involved in the industry. It's really, these are really dynamic experiences for you from a world perspective that will make you really rich in being able to deliver on all the characters that you portray. So that's really cool, right? You know, Rita, I love it.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Okay. Well, listen, we're going to look forward to, tell me about your social media. Do you use your social media to update your progress on things? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mostly use Instagram. And my Instagram is just my name. It's just Rita FRENZEL. So yeah, I usually like post things on there. For the most part, yeah, that's like the main thing that I use.
Yeah, great. Well, listen, I'm going to post your links below, Rita, our interview today, so that everyone can take advantage and follow your progress. And we're also looking forward to you on FENIX360, so people and fans can connect with you there. So we're really happy you're part of us. And, you know, thanks so much for being with me today. Enjoy Tanzania.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and good luck on the shoot and the tryouts coming up, and you take good care.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
How about yours? That's nothing. Today, me and Johnny Justice beat a half dozen pedophiles with a tire iron. Up top,
hey! Man. Yeah, it was a great workout too, you know? My arms are on fire.
That's because you didn't stretch before. I told you to stretch. You never stretch.